6, and we are here to present our report, and our topic is all about plumbing and heating system design and operation. So, what is plumbing? Plumbing involves installing and repairing fixtures and appliances connected to a house or building water system. The system is intricately woven as a network of pipes throughout a house or building walls, and it's the plumber who can help keep this network running smoothly. Plumber may be responsible for setting up clean, potable, cold, and hot tap water supply, managing sewage and septic system, draining rain water and surface water, handling water-driven heating and cooling system and gas lines.
What is the purpose of plumbing system? The main purpose of plumbing system is to deliver clean water in every residential and commercial building, and at the same time, eliminate all wastewater. These two factors will work side by side to bring comfort and safety to everyone's health. How to maintain plumbing system? Maintenance is always the key to extend the life expectancy of your plumbing system by following the list below. First on the list is installing a water heater expansion tank. This is a safety device that reduces the risk of pressure damage to your plumbing system. So never use any drain clearing products that contain chemicals. Chemical-based drain clearing products are well known to help your drains clog free. But the truth is, this chemical will do more harm than good because it promotes oxidization on cast iron drain pipes. Ideally, you should do it manually by using plumber's snake or hire a professional plumber to do the job. Third on the list is to install pipe insulation. This is only applicable for everyone who is living in a cold climate or during the winter season. The pipe insulation will help to keep the water in the pipes from freezing, expanding, or having any problems that can lead to costly damage. The common areas in the house where you can install it are the basement, crawl space, and garages. Lastly, install a water softener. Fresh water is great for one's body but not for the plumbing because it has a high levels of minerals, calcium or magnesium. Water softener can effectively dissolve those elements and increase the life expectancy of your plumbing system.
When designing a house, it is essential to pay special attention to the plumbing system and efficiency. Plumbing system is designed to preserve energy resources and save water. Short runs between various plumbing fixtures and use of quality plumbing materials are important elements of a good plumbing design. I will show you the example of plumbing system. As you can see, why plumbing system is important when designing our homes and buildings because plumbing enables us to use safely and one of the most important resources, water. This way we can maintain our health and hygiene by using clean water, which is not resources everybody on earth has access to. Plumbing is that innovation to reduce the water consumption, thus saving important resources, which are used to render it hygienic and transport it have greatly reduced the amount of water utilized by toilets, shower heads, faucet, and other plumbing device. I said earlier, also an adequate plumbing system inside a house enables us to save our money on water bills. Also another reason why plumbing is important because plumbing did not access our lives will be much less sanitary. We would not have to worry about fixing plumbing deterioration. However, we would have much more illness spread through food and other types of disease caused by unsanitary homes. The plumbing system, they have two elements. Sewerage system is an underground network of interconnect pipes called sewer that transport or carriers sewage from the place where it's produced, like home or other buildings, to the sewage treatment plant where it's proceed. The human excreta from the toilet seat enters the septic tank through the inlet pipe. A sewerage system or wastewater collection system is a network pipes, pumping station, and appurtenances that convey sewage from its point's origin to a point of treatment and disposal. I will show you the example of sewerage system. So this is the example of sewerage system. Sewerage also it is important because it is component of urban infrastructure that helps keep the urban environment safe from flooding and prevent the spread of waterborne disease by safely transporting wastewater to the wastewater treatment works through the transport of rain water from urban. The second example of water heater. It is a household appliance consisting of a gas or electric heating unit under a tank in which water is heated and stored. Water heater used to heat water and to keep it at a more or less constant elevated temperature. Just as importantly, they are also used for the purposes of having a steady and continual supply of water. What is included in the plumbing system? First is respective connection device, appurtenances within the premises, and the lastly is water treating equipment. So this is my explanation about this. These four also important when designing a plumbing to our home and buildings because they can give a plan, communication, and materials to keep safely to avoid cause of damages.
Typically, a plumbing design is made of two systems. One of the supplies is a clean water and the another is gets rid of waste water. The drain systems to allow drain pipes to breathe and efficiently more sewer waste through sewer pipes. Plumbing design encompasses several parameters. Generally, the water supply must be designed to deliver appropriate water pressure and flow. More importantly, the design should ensure that clean potable water is not contaminated by gray water from the DWV system. The three main types of plumbing system is potable water system, sanitary drainage system, and the storm drainage system. Potable water systems comes surface and ground sources. This water is clean and safe because it has been treated with your local municipal water treatment plant. This system is comprised of various pipes that's connected to a single system. A valve can be located on this system, which is used to cut off the water supply. Furthermore, there is also usually a meter that tells you how much water is being used throughout the building. Sanitary drainage systems, sometimes referred to as sewage, is used water. It comes from almost of the sections of the house or building in the bathrooms, sinks, laundry areas. A sanitary drainage systems helps to get rid of waste of water. These systems contains a series of pipes that were designed to specifically dispose of waste. This waste comes from things such as doing the laundry, the putting food down the drain. Once waste enters the pipes, it is then transferred to a local sewer system. Sanitary drainage, referred to as a DWV, drain waste vent system, is a network of pipes that remove wastewater from your house. Storm drainage system is to control storm and infiltrate surface water, designed to minimize the impact of the environment and prevent downstream flooding. You may have noticed those holes on the sidewalk. Those are known as storm drains. These are used to carry excess water away from our house. Back in the day, the water that went down the storm drain used to go into a sanitary drainage system. And in some areas, they still do. These days, however, rainwater is sent to a storm sewer instead.
Example of plumbing systems: urinals, showers, bathtubs, and kitchen sink.
Is heating system design. A heating system is a mechanism for maintaining temperatures at an acceptable level by using thermal energy within a home, office, or other dwelling. Often part of an HVAC or heating, ventilation, air conditioning system. A heating system may be a central heating system or there's a types of heating system design. First, furnaces. The majority of North American households depends on a central furnace to provide heat. A furnace works by blowing heat or through the ducts that deliver the warm air to rooms throughout the house via air registers or grills. This type of heating system is called a ducted warm air or forced warm air distribution system. It can be powered by electricity, natural gas, or fuel oil. Second, boilers. Boilers are special purpose water heaters, while furnaces carry heat in warm air. Boiler systems distribute the heat in the hot water, which gives up heat as it passes through the radiators or other device in rooms throughout the house. The hot water systems are often called hydronic system. Residential boilers generally use natural gas or heating oil. Heat pumps. Heat pumps are just two-way air conditioners. During the summer, an air conditioners work by moving heat from the relatively cool indoors to relatively warm outside. In winter, the heat pumps reverse the strict scavenging heat from the cold outdoors with the help of an electrical system and discharging that heat inside the house. Almost heat pumps use form warm air delivery system to move heat air throughout the house. Fourth, gas-fired space heaters. In some areas, gas-fired direct heating equipment is popular. This includes wall-mounted, freestanding, and floor furnaces, all characterized by their lack or ductwork and relatively small heat output. Because they lack ducts, they are most useful for warming a single room. Fifth, unvented gas-fired heaters. Gas or kerosene space heaters that do not have an exhaust. Vent have been sold for decades, but we strongly discourage their use for health and safety reasons. Known as vent-free gas heating appliances by manufacturers. They include wall-mounted and freestanding heaters as well as open-flame gas fireplace with ceramic logs that are not actually connected to a chimney. Electric space heaters. Yes, portable electric heaters are inexpensive to buy, but costly to use. These resistive heaters include oil-filled and quartz infrared heaters. They convert electric current from the wall socket directly into the heat, like a toaster or a clothes iron. 7. Wood burning and pellet stoves. Is wood heating can make a great deal of sense in rural areas if you enjoy stacking wood and stacking the stove or furnace. Wood prices are generally lower than gas, oil, or electricity. If you cut your own wood, the savings can be large. Lastly, fireplaces. Gas fireplaces are basically part of a room's decor, providing a warm glow and a way to dispose of secret documents, but typically not an effective heat source. On the other hand, if the fireplace is provided with a tight scaling glass door, a source of outside air, and a good chimney damper, it can provide useful heat.
How do we design a heating system and how does a heating system work? So first, let me
let me tackle about what is plumbing. So plumbing is any system that conveys fluids for a wide range of applications. Plumbing uses pipes, valves, plumbing fixtures, tanks, and other apparatus to convey fluids. So let us go on with the topic now. So how do we design a heating system? First, calculate the heat loose from the rooms. Calculate the boiler output, select heater units, select type, size, and duty of circulation pump, make pipe scheme and calculate pipe sizes, calculate expansion tank, and calculate safety valves. So those are the ways on how to design a heating system. So now, how does a heating system work? So, furnace use forced air to distribute heat throughout someone's house. Instead of a furnace, air is warmed up by the fuel source. A blower then pushes the warm air through a duct system and into various homes of a house. Cooled air returns to the furnace through a separate series of ducts known as a return.